Experiencing no internet or dropping signal on Boost Mobile? Here's a breakdown of common causes and fixes. First, check your coverage. Boost Mobile relies on its own towers and roaming agreements, so weak signals are common in dead zones. Use Boost's diagnostic tool or speed test to measure signal strength. Below 90-100 dBm indicates poor quality. Ensure your phone supports Boost's LTE frequencies, specifically band 1217. Incompatible devices cause connectivity issues. A simple fix includes toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your connections. Reset network settings to clear any glitches and restore your defaults. Outdated phone software can also lead to LTE failures. Ensure your OS and carrier settings are up to date. Verify your APN settings, which should be boost.mobile, to ensure proper data connection. Data throttling can also give the illusion of no internet when you reach your data limit. For persistent issues, consider contacting Boost Mobile support for assistance. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider more advanced solutions. A weak signal in one spot can sometimes be resolved by moving to a higher location to get a better signal. For persistent issues, consider upgrading to a 5G-compatible device like a newer Samsung Galaxy, especially in urban areas with congestion. Boost Mobile is expanding its 5G coverage, and older LTE devices may face increasing issues. Also, while LTE issues still exist, Boost's future is focused on 5G, phasing out LTE support. Boost uses AI-driven diagnostics to reduce outage times. Consider VPNs for stable connections. By 2030, Boost aims for 100% 5G coverage and better, more stable LTE connections. Monitor Boost's official site for updates and FCC filings for the latest on network improvements.